This is your daily market review for Thursday, May 30th, 2024. Let's go. Hey everyone, this is my channel to help investors and traders develop a probability-based mindset to succeed. Also try and keep friends informed of what's going on in the markets and the economy, and also a little real estate content as well. This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the Trading Agent. This is your daily market review for Thursday, May 30th, 2024. Hopefully you're having a great day. If you've been warned, following the channel, not warned so much, but just paying attention, we've talked about how the volatility was going to be rather interesting. A roller coaster of a week going into end the month as we head into June. Was it sell in May and go away? Bull trap, bear trap, chopping around. We tried to go through the evidence, be very logical, define a risk, do what's best. Again, we talked about how the market was thinning out as money just kept piling into a few names like NVDA. And well, now what? Now that's the question, right? On the channel, stick around. Great stuff here. We'll try to give you the best play-by-play we can going forward. So what do we know as of today, right? We know after hours, Costco, Marvel, down. We know the GDP data came in way less than the last quarter. We talked about this. The economy's slowing. The earnings after hours are showing, again, continuing to show slowness. You got some more core PCE and inflation data. Rates have been going higher. Again, it's a choppy, sloppy summer market. However, I do think near term, there's more risk. Downturn for the long term, near term, it could get choppy and sloppy. We'll talk about it because, again, the DIA is oversold. So, new to the channel, check out the Discord room, a link in the description below. And this is kind of what I was talking about. The DIA is oversold near term. Doesn't mean the NASDAQ couldn't follow, though, because the NASDAQ is not. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell on YouTube or on the Twitter. Posted all of our trades. Y'all know the deal because, again, I appreciate it. I mean, if you're not subscribed, and you're not checking out the education videos, I don't know. Let me know how I can help. I mean, join the Discord room, link description below. If you want to join on, jump in a little Calendly link. We can talk, take some time, help you out. Let me know what I can do. So we know what. I mean, again, we talked about this, the Fed Fund futures. Again, if you don't have this link and you not want it, let me know. There's nothing coming anytime soon, not even July, right? September, maybe. November looking like yes. But here's the thing, right? Like, we know this can change quickly, especially if what? We talk about the Black Swan event. We talk about something happening. In general, things getting worse. That's the only way you're going to get that rate cut quicker. Bitcoin chopping around. Good old oil holding support. Natural gas, as we talked about, near term, overbought. Not surprised if it backfills. Again, I love natural gas long term. On pullbacks. We talked about buying down here or shorting KLD. Good trade, my dudes. Dollar holding up. Again, we talked about it trending up, breaking out of the channel, but we said, hey, you got to watch this area around mid 28s. Seems to hold so far, so good. I mean, again, it could go either way. I don't really care so much as just watching it. TLT, again, with the GDP data, ouch, right? We said next level would be this 87. Well, maybe you don't get there. I mean, here's the thing, right? Again, watching bonds. If the market is going to get sideways and get sticky, get awkward, the thing that you need to pay attention is people could buy bonds because that means something actually bad could be happening. And if they're not buying bonds and rates are going higher, yikes. Posted that up, talked about that in the Twitter and the Discord room. Said today again on Twitter, not surprised, oversold near term. Don't be surprised with top or chop. When we hit the 200-day on the VIX. Are you surprised? No. We said watch the 520s and the 20-day. Here you are. That could get absolutely crushed. Now, tomorrow is a Friday, which typically down days at the end of the month. Keep an eye on it. 20-day breaks. Goodbye. I mean, really, could go fast. QQQ. Again, these things aren't oversold, right? 8 and 10-day haven't hit the 20-day. I mean, watch the 449, 450. IWM, we talked about oversold bounce, not oversold bounce, but we talked about like just holding these levels and not surprised near term, right? Watch the 20-day again, because you don't go in a straight line every day. And this is where, again, here comes the DIA, right? Going oversold quickly. It goes from 4,000 down, I guess you drop 2,000 points pretty damn quickly. You're surprised the market doesn't catch a bounce here or chop around, maybe some end of month buyers, but it's a double top, y'all. Bull trap. Be careful. Gold, I don't trust it at all until the Feds pivot. Looks like a double top, 20-day. Ten cuidado. Silver, it looks like it's going to break out. Okay, keep an eye on it. And then, you got to get over the 29s. If you don't, you got problems. GDX, miners, yeah, chop it around. Trend line, 20-day, keep an eye on it. If they break, dust is going to explode, in my opinion. GDXJ, holding up pretty well. Junior miner, same kind of thing. Multi-day ranges, chopping above the highs, needs to hold. I don't know why it doesn't save it all the time. Oh, I know why. I'm afraid to save it. You need to really hold this 44, 45 area. Keep it on. AEM, been holding up pretty darn well. Pretty darn well. 20-day. AG, gap down. Newmont, again, it got into old range levels and then backed off. Under the 20-day, not good. PAAS, which has been holding up way better than the other ones. Keep an eye on that. So we know the Dow is down because of CRM, right? Well, I mean, it had a lot of effects on other companies. So let's just keep that in mind. After hours, Marvell not doing so hot. Taiwan Semi said if you shorted this 3-day range, you're looking good. Looking good because it's a bull trap. It tried to break out, gave it right back. Be careful if you're a bull. Micron. There you go. Bull trap, right? And this is the thing. You got to love traps at highs and lows because if you break out and then you don't confirm, everybody who bought up here is starting to get real nervous. And people who want to take profits should be, right? Think about it. AM Dizzle, 100-day, nothing. Nothing, just chopping. I mean, that's just a purgatory of a trade. NVIDIA post this morning, watch the day range at the highs. Congrats. You've got it. 3-day rule, post earnings, chopping around. I mean, not bad. Not bad. I mean, in the end, we'll make money on selling out of the money calls. When's the right time to buy puts? Ooh. Is it going to be a V-top? Is this a left-right combo? Good question. If you miss out on buying puts, well, you know what? Collect that premium. SMCI. Again, this one is a great trading stock. It just seems to have nothing here. Right? You can trade the day ranges. I mean, again, if that 100-day breaks, oh, shiznit. Intel, I keep being told this is a great buy down here. And again, I'm not trying to troll people. I'm just like, no. I mean, it is oversold, but it's not leading up. If it can't go up when the market's going up, did you listen to the Jesse Livermore books? Did you listen? Because if it can't lead when the market's going up, that should scare the absolute crap out of you. And I didn't have to lead, but just follow the market. This is not following the market. Then leave it the fuck alone. Excuse my language. SMH, breakout, giving it back. Novice gap near the end of the month. Keep an eye on that. Adobe down on CRM. Look at this. Oof. New lows. Apple trying to chop around. Good. Cool. Give me many opportunities. Chop, top, and play, in my opinion. Amazonian. Here you go, right? Double topper. Meta. We've said watch this blue area. I mean, in 470s, 480s. Man, if the 100-day breaks and it follows through, goodbye. Meta. CRM, we talked about holding these levels down here. Not big volumes, but the CEO's selling like $3 million. Was it $3 million worth every day or something for like the last couple of months? And he knows something. Don't be surprised if it holds here near term because again, dip buyers will go, oh, is that 320 and now it's at 220. I got to buy a 33% discount. Okay. Just keep an eye on it. Maybe we'll see. Again, if the market melts, though, this thing ain't going to hold. Guggenheim broke. This was, epic today. 20-day breaks. See ya. Guggenheim. Microsoft talked about breaking the 20-day. You could short this now. And that's a bull trap. Again, wouldn't be surprised if the market chops around and tech could lag hard. NDAQ, 100-day. Uh-oh, watch out. MicroStrategy. 1700 area, you're welcome. Got a shout out from my man Kerwin about he's like shorted this hard today. In my opinion, it made sense. I mean, next it's like watch this area. This little area breaks, 20-day gap fill all come into play pretty damn quick. Because again, it's probably going to lead Bitcoin. Netflix and chill. Is this a bull trap? We'll see. I mean, again, as long as you're holding over this area, bullish. If it breaks below it, not so much. Roblox, again, chopping around. Got nothing on that one. PanW, you're welcome if you didn't chase this. Said watch today. Once it broke the lows, home improvement, not so much. It disapproved. We talked about it. That was an easy short. Nice trade if you took that. Tesla, again, 100-day is just bopping its head. Look at it. Dink. This thing's so oversold. I mean, I would wonder if shorts just move out of this to short other stuff. Again, Tesla has no value to me at this pricing either. BKNG, talked about this. Nice trade if you short it up here. Congratulations. Well done. Que bueno. Yeah. So far, so good. Watch 200 now. Oversold near term. Don't go crazy at the lows. Airbnb Bizzle. Gap down in earnings. 200-day. Chopping. Costco, again, after hours, is at, I don't know. It's over this. It's over the area that matters. This area matters. It's over the 20-day. We'll see. Again, they've been acting strong. Starbucks, we talked about this being a dead cat bouncer. Chopping around. Not surprised. Federal Express. Been just absolutely destroyed. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce to the 100, 200-day. That would make sense to me. Caterpillar. Meow. We talked about the 20-day break-in. Okay, watch this area down here. Near term. Nucor. Broke the 170 level. I don't know. Is it a bear trap or is it just consolidating? Letter X, we talked about. I mean, we like it long term. I don't know. I want it down. Get down. VALE. Again, we like global growth names that just, they're not going to be buying now. You can't buy commodities, in my opinion. Arrow, we talked about this being a bull trap. Gap down, said it was over. Look at that bounce back. Kapow. 20-day breaks. Goodbye. CCJ, again, I'm not a fan of Goldman upgrading the highs. Seems to be holding up, though. Can't really say much about it. CF Industries, again, ag names got smacked around yesterday. They're just going to be in the chop cycle. Let them go through the chop cycle. NTR, chop, chop. AA, holding up pretty damn well. Got to give aluminum credit. When you zoom out, you go, man, there's a lot of room. Mucho room. But, no, I'm just, like I said, I don't want to chase. XLF, not surprised, oversold. Look at this. Just drop, 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 drop. Okay. See what happens here. Watch this 20-day. Watch this area here, in my opinion. That's a gift from the gods. It's a double top barrel bull trap. Right? JP Mo. I mean, Dame Jones, like, I'm not buying stock. Okay, watch 20-day. Morgan Stanley talked about it. Like, how did this thing get over 100? Back under 20-day. Guggenheim. Or sorry, Bank of America. Big wide day today. Keep it on. Again, some bank issues are starting to crop up again. Goldman Snacks, again, long term, I think Marcus is fine, but it looks kind of broken. Carry, not surprised, oversold bounce on all the rumors of more banks collapsing, but this thing is still destined for turddom. XBI, not surprised, little end of month money buying. Thing has been oversold, rallied, dripped back. Yeah, part of the game. Tan. All right, here you go. We talked about solar needing something. Watch this area. If it gets over it, you're out. If it doesn't, good. ENPH. Sedge, I don't even know why I even search Sedge. It's dead money. ENPH, watch these areas around the 130s. First Solar posted today. Like, I'd just be watching this. Like, because this is a huge move. It's either about to consolidate or in chop or something big could happen after this because it's a blow off kind of move. HYG, I mean, I'm surprised they bought corporate debt today. I mean, you got to be high out of your mind. But, well, that's what the market does sometimes. USO, here you go. Chop it around. UNG, again, I hate the UNG. I like shorting the KLD. And this thing just got bludgeoned. Like, if you covered some of your KLD shorts, you're loving this bounce. Come even higher. I mean, shit, 60s would be even better. I mean, think about it. If you shorted in the 80s and covered in the 30s, feeling good. Feeling good. Feeling great. XOP, right? Here you go. Oil and gas. Got to watch this level around the 146, 147 area. Exxon Mobilev. Oops. Talked about Exxon. Oh, man, this is like holding on for dear life. Like, go with range. Very simple. Breaks the lows. He's gone. CVE. Chop, chop. Fizz, fizz. What a relief it is. Again, I don't really have a feeling on this near term. Oil and gas hands. We talked about him taking a beat down yesterday. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. NPC. Uh-oh. Better hold the lows. Occidental. Hey, Occidental. We talked about this. This is the biggest Buffett range out there, y'all. Big old Buffett range. Just let it play out, folks. EQT. Like this long term, but man, it's a big choppy sloppy range. Flex LN Jizzle. Flex LNG. Again, I think we'll be natural gas exporters. I'm on record for that. Again, I don't think we will go totally renewable. So, again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Always here to help. Let me know what you need help with, whether it's trading, investing, real estate. I got folks hitting me up all the time about just questions about real estate. I would love to offer insights based on what I know, whether it's through tax mitigation, whether it's trying to figure out how to buy and sell, invest, downsize, whatever it is. Let me know how I can help. Do not hesitate, because if you hesitate to reach out, that's fine. The hardest part will be contacting me. After that, we'll figure out something. But Again, I'd love to help you out. If you need a buy or sell, need an agent anywhere in the freaking United States, even in the rest of the world, I can try to find. Again, EXP is the best brokerage. Again, hands down, the best brokerage I've ever worked for by light years. So I appreciate all the love, support, generous donations. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Again, tomorrow is a Friday, summer day. Enjoy. Peace.